Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to save number on Vivo phone device. Friends, you want to save contact number on your phone, so how to save contact number on Vivo mobile today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how to save number on Vivo mobile. So friends, first of all guys, open your phone calls setting guys. So friends, now enter number, which number friends you want to save on your Vivo phone. So friends, enter number and friends click on create new contact, click here, and friends you can see first name. So your first name guys I will set my friend, and this last name guys I will set here group. And friends I will save. Friends, you can see this contact number will save. Friends, you can see contact number has saved, and friends I can check this contact number on my Vivo phone device. So friends, I will into my friend group. Friends, you can see this number guys recently we have saved. Friends, you can see friends we can call from here. Friends, you want to send text messages, so friends you can send text messages from here. Friends, click here, and friends you can send text messages from here. So friends, I want to send, and friends you can see a star button. Friends, if you click here friends you can save this number on your favorite list, and friends you can check your number. Friends, you can see favorite. Friends, we can check number from here. So guys, I will unfavorite. Friends, you want to unfavorite, so you can unfavorite from here. Friends, if you click here friends you can edit this number. Friends, you can edit from here. Friends, you want to save photo on this number, so friends you can select photo. Friends, choose photo. So guys, you want to save my photo on this number, so friends click here, and friends you can adjust this photo, apply here, and get this photo will save on this number. Friends, you can see this photo will save on contact number. So like that means you can save photo on contact number also. And friends, already you have saved any photo on contact number, you want to change, so friends you can change photo. Friends, again click here. Friends, click on change option, and friends you can select a new photo and you can change. And friends, you don't want to use photo, so you can remove and save. So a photo will remove on contact number. So like that friends, we can save contact number on Vivo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubts, so friends you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.